Hello everyone, and today I have a presentation or video on how to make arrows. The nunchucks right here are for a future video that will be the next video. But for now, we are going to be working on the arrows. First, what you need is to take one of these sticks and put it to the side. Then you need a piece of paper. I'm using colored paper because I want it to be colorful, but you don't need colored paper. So I'm going to put that to the side and put the scissors down. Then I'm going to take one corner of it and start wrapping it into a cone-like shape so that my long toothpick or stick can fit in the thing. And if you like this video, please consider subscribing. But for now, let's start creating. And so you just keep on wrapping and wrapping and wrapping until you have the whole thing. Then you're gonna hold this in place so that you don't lose your progress and all your hard work. And you're going to tape it, make sure it's nice and tight, like that. You might also want to tape the bottom part of it so it doesn't get damaged at the bottom. And then if you want to, you can trim it a little bit. Stick your arrow in. As you can see, there's a little bit of the point right there, which is you want, but you can still tell that you can easily pull it in and out. That's where this next part comes in handy. You push the stick to the limit. You take your tape right here and you twist it like that, pinch, and then cut so that it stays all in one, like that. And then you're gonna flatten out to get that like past arrow vibe. And if you want, I don't have one right now, but you can take a knife and put a divot right there so for your bow to shoot. And that's how you make your own arrow. But let's just say your section for the arrow, where you put your arrow in, is really big and it won't shoot and you're having a problem with that. Not to worry, all you have to do is take another stick, take your scissors, trim off the sharp bit, snap it off, or like keep divoting until you think it's time and you can snap it. Once you can snap that, once you are able to snap it, which I'm having a hard time doing, once you snap it, you're going to take your table and saw it like that until it's smooth. Then you are going to put them together, and you can use tape or glue. I prefer tape since it's nice, easy, simple. And you are going to connect it like that. Or you can connect it however you want, but this way seems the simplest, but it can be a little challenging, especially if your pieces of wood do not want to cooperate. And so once you get it on, just make sure they're on a flat-like surface and roll. If you want to make it more like strong, you can add another layer, but that's how you make your arrow. And if you want it a little shorter, you can of course trim it to the size you want. You could, if you wanted to, it's optional. You could cut like a little bit of triangle. I'll show you here. You cut from the corner a curved shape like that. And just like tiny cuts, not huge cuts, but just a little bigger each cut, since It is a circle, half of a circle technically, and you just cut it to the edge. And then if you want it to be fancy, you can take every other one and cut it off so it has that like bow effect and tape it to the end. I hope you like this tutorial and I hope you consider subscribing. Thank you. Have a nice day.